The Heavy Equipment Inspection app is the easiest way to keep machines in good working order and safe condition. The app has a bunch of forms to inspect the majority of heavy equipment: excavators, trucks, tractors, cranes, elevators, and loaders. The forms are all professional-looking PDF files that are conveniently stored in the app for quick access and can be shared with anyone. See how easily you can fill in the report, collecting all the necessary data. Your previous replies are already saved in the form, so you don't have to retype. Place a signature. Add any photos if necessary, additional comments, and save and send this report. Once you fill out the report, it will generate the Excel and PDF files. These are stored in the app and can be easily shared with others. That's it. This is that easy. Download this app from the Apple and Google stores and try it for free for 30 days. The links can be found in the description to this video. The app can be customized to meet your specific needs. Just contact us at support@snappi.com. Thanks for watching.